In the world of AI chatbots, two big names are competing for the top spot: Grok by xAI and GPT by OpenAI. But which one is better? Let's compare. GPT-4 is known for its powerful reasoning, creativity, and accuracy. It's great for writing, coding, and professional work. Meanwhile, Grok is designed to be witty, raw, and has real-time access to X, formerly Twitter. If you need deep research, script writing, or creative brainstorming, GPT is your best choice. But if you're looking for real-time social media insights and a more casual chatbot experience, Grok might be for you. Grok is free, but only for X Premium users. On the other hand, GPT 3.5 is free, while GPT-4 requires a Plus subscription for premium features. So, which AI is better? If you're a creator, editor, or professional, GPT is the smarter choice. But if you're deep into social media trends, Grok might work for you. The real question is, what do you need? Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.